is you? Who are you? Okay. Okay, sis. Okay, girl. Come through, why don't you? Come through. Alright y'all, so we have another wig review slash tutorial install for you guys today. I'm super duper excited to try out this wig because I think y'all gonna love this one. Y'all gonna love this color. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from Outre. This is from their Color Bomb collection, and you guys, all the Color Bomb wigs that I've been seeing lately are just popping with the color. So I'm super duper excited to be trying this wig out from this collection. Now if you guys have not seen any of my Outre synthetic wig reviews, please make sure that you check those out. Outre never disappoints. Outre always comes through with the hair, okay? So I'm just excited because I already know it's gonna be bomb. I mean, the name is Color Bomb, so we're just gonna get right into it. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this Color Bomb Premium Synthetic Lace Front Wig from Outre, and this is in the style Courtney, and I did pick up the color DR4 Cream Blonde. You guys already know I love me some blonde. I mean, I love me some blonde, brown, like those are my favorite colors to wear on myself. So I'm super duper excited, and she's long, baby, okay? She is long, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out the box so you guys can see the stock card. Woo! Oh Lord! Oh my gosh! What's going on? Okay, technical difficulties. Okay. So here's the stock card of Courtney. You guys, this is a popping unit. I can already tell just by looking at the stock card. She does come in a variety of other different colors. You can get her in a more 613 blonde, a brown to blonde, kind of like the wig that I'm wearing right now, and she also does come in a gray color as well. So you do get other options with this unit, but today we're going to be working with the DR4 Cream Blonde, and I'm going to go ahead and take the net off and cut the stock card off so that way we can get into the construction of this unit. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the construction of Miss Courtney. So she is a lace front wig. She does have lace from ear to ear. She also does have a curved side part in this unit. You also do get two combs by the front in the temple area. And you also have a comb in the nape section as well. And she also comes with adjustable straps. So you do have lots of security with this wig. Pulling on her, she does feel pretty snug. So I do feel like she is going to be big head friendly and fit nice and snug. And they did go ahead and also pre-pluck the hairline on this unit, which looks pretty nice, I must say. And the lace does seem to be pretty transparent, so we are going to be able to manipulate that lace. And you guys, just look at this hairline that they have started on this wig. That looks supernatural. I am loving that hairline. So far I am feeling like this is going to be a very easy install to do. I'm super duper excited to see how this one comes out. And this is just a up close on the color. You guys, this color is so pretty. The camera is not doing it justice because it's picking up a little bit gray on camera, but I promise you, you guys, this wig is not gray at all. It is a blonde, and it has a lot of highlights and lowlights. You have different color variations. So I'm definitely going to take some pictures in natural lighting so that way you guys can see the true color. And of course, definitely make sure that you follow me on Instagram and check me out on Facebook so that way you can see the pictures and videos of this unit, as well as all the other content. You definitely get sneak peeks if you follow me on socials, so definitely make sure that you connect with me up there. And if you guys are loving this wig review thus far, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also drop me a comment down below. So you guys, this wig feels pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's a lot of hair in this wig, especially for it to be a straight unit. I'm not sure exactly how long this wig is, but it does look like it is about 22 inches. So I'm thinking it's gonna fall like mid-back on me, and I am about 5'1", so this wig is definitely gonna be pretty long. But I'm not gonna do no more talking. We're gonna get straight into the installs. I'm just gonna go ahead and sled this wig on off. Ooh, child. And I do actually plan to wear that wig for a couple of days, so I'm actually going to be doing a little different install today. Not nothing too different or dramatic from what I normally do, but we could do a little bit of different things today with this install. So the first thing that I'm going to do is spray my Jamaican No More Itch Growth Spray for my braids, so that way my hair is not itchy underneath this wig cap. So I'm just going to spray that all over. And then we also want to make sure the scalp is treated while you're wearing your units. And it doesn't matter for however long that you are wearing your units, you want to make sure that you are protecting your real hair underneath, so that way it can grow and flourish. So I'm going to be using the Mielle Moisture Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Scalp Treatment. And it is an oil-based product. It is an oil product, but it comes out like a spray. I'm just going to spray that all over my scalp. Next, I'm going to use my Even 24-Hour Edge Tamer to slick back my edges before we put this wig cap on, so that way they are out of the way. And this is literally my favorite edge control, you guys. I've always pretty much stuck to this edge control ever since I picked this one up. This is the watermelon scent. Not the watermelon, is this watermelon? Peaches. I'm sorry, this is the peach scent. The peach scent is literally my favorite. It smells super duper good. And you guys, these are the same braids that I had in my other last 2 wig reviews. So, you know, you don't have to have a super fresh braid down, but you do just want to make sure that your hair underneath your wig is either braided down or twisted down, so that way you can get a nice flat install. It's definitely going to help your wig lay a whole lot better and help your install last a whole lot longer as well when you get your hair braided down or twisted down, whichever one you prefer. Alrighty. Now that we have the edges slicked back, gonna throw my wig cap on. And I'm not gonna be gluing down my wig cap or doing a ball cap method. Just because I'm only going to be wearing this wig, like I said, for a couple of days. Not too long. Well, this wig cap a little tight, y'all. Tight. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Even Tinted Lace Spray in medium brown. You guys already know I've been raving about this product. I really do love it, especially for tinting the lace of my units. It makes the whole process so much easier, you guys, and it's not transferable. So I'm going to go ahead and spray about 2 layers of this product up here. And I'm going to use my blow dryer just to lock everything in place. And then we're going to get into the install portion of the wig. So for some extra protection for my hairline for today's install, I am going to be using the Erica J Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard. And I'm just going to lightly spray that around my hairline. It does have a little bit of alcohol in it. I'm just going to spray that around the hairline, so that way we can prep for the product. And I'm going to just go ahead and lightly try the unit on before we actually install it. And I am going to go ahead and adjust the adjustable straps to my liking. I normally put the adjustable straps in the slot right beside the nape of the comb. The nape of the comb. The comb that's in the nape section, I normally put the adjustable straps right here. Just because that gives me the most security. There are some other slots that you can put it in that are right underneath this comb. That's going to make it a whole lot tighter, so you just have to do it to your preference. But for me, normally when I put it right beside the comb, that works perfect for me, and the wig does not go anywhere. And of course, you can always wear these units without applying any glue, spray, freeze spray, anything like that. It's just your preference, the way that you want to rock your wig. And I'm going to go ahead and try her on. Now, she does have a curved side part, so we're going to see if this wig can shift to the middle and both sides. And the part is on the right side, the way this wig comes as well. Ooh, girl, who is you? Who are you? Okay. Okay, sis. Okay, girl. Come through, why don't you? Come through. Okay. So yeah, it's a lot of hair. And she is coming to the mid back, right above my hips. So I am, like I said, I am 5'1". This wig does come about mid back. And I am going to show you guys, once I have her all installed, how she looks from the back and everything like that. So the lace does blend a whole lot better with the spray on. We are going to adjust it. The first thing I am going to do, like I said, is shift this wig to the middle. So she does have layers. I've noticed in the unit it does have layers, so we're going to go ahead and shift it to the middle to see if we can rock a middle part with this unit. Okay. So you really could do a middle part with this unit because they did make the layers even on both sides. So there's not like one side that is cut a little bit shorter than the other. So you are able to rock this wig in a middle part if you would like to do so. I think I'm gonna do a side part just because, I don't know, I'm feeling the side part. Like when I shift it to the middle is still fly. Like I love the middle as well, but I don't know. I'm torn, y'all. I'm torn. Like, I don't know if I want to do the middle part or the side part because they both are popping. So let's see what it looks like on the left side. Because this is the side I normally like to do my side parts on. Okay, so far, Miss Courtney is giving versatility. As you all can see, we can do a side part on the left and on the right, and we can do a middle part with this unit. So she is already getting 2 thumbs up from me for that. I love the versatility, especially when you get wigs like this where it's like a part that they made in the wig. Most of the time when you get wigs like this, you're not able to shift it and maneuver it. But like I already told y'all when we got started, Outre never disappoints. And so far, I am feeling Miss Courtney. So now y'all, I have to decide on how I want to wear this wig because now we got options. At first, I was just gonna settle. But in 2022, we're not settling, okay, period. So I don't know, y'all, if I'm gonna do the side, the middle, or the other side. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a moment and pause and think about it real quick. Cause I wanna like secure it down and I don't wanna secure it down and wanna change it. Oh my goodness. She is definitely giving us versatility for the girls. Or I could do it glueless so that way if I change my mind, I can do that. I might do that. We're doing a glueless because I want to be able to manipulate this wig and move it and all that good stuff. So we're doing glueless. Sorry guys. Sorry. Alright y'all, so we're going to be doing my typical glueless install. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cut off half of the lace with some scissors. And then I'm going to be going back in using a razor comb to cut more of the lace off a little bit at a time. The key, you guys, when it comes to cutting off your lace is just taking your time. And for me, I do have low growing edges, so I did cut off a lot on the sides where the ear tabs are, just so that way it could fit a whole lot more comfortable on my hairline. And to secure my wig, you guys, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Free spray. So I'm just going to be spraying that along my hairline. And then I'm going to go in using a blow dryer to secure that hold in place. And the key with the blow dryer, you guys, is to use a warm to hot temperature first. and then go in with the cool temperature. I don't know what it is with the science about it, you guys, but literally when you go from the heat to the cold, it just locks everything in place. And I promise you, your wig, sis, is not going anywhere, okay? And now that I have the lace cut off to my liking, I'm gonna go in and create some baby hairs. And the key to doing the baby hairs, you guys, less is so much more. It looks a whole lot more natural the less amount of hair you use. And when I say less amount of hair, you may have to actually go in with some tweezers to pluck or thin out your section before you create your baby hair. And that is just what I have been doing lately, just making my sections thinner so that way it just looks a whole lot more natural, and it will blend well with my edges that are showing as well. And to secure my baby hairs in place, I'm just using some Got2b the edge gel, and I'm going to go back over that with the blow dryer as well to secure everything in place. And you all, here are the final results of the Outre Color Bomb Lace Front with Courtney. You guys, I am in love with this unit. Like, she is definitely giving bossy vibes. I am just loving the length, the texture, the lace, everything about this unit I really did enjoy. Now, I would say you are going to need a comb or a brush handy while wearing this unit because she does tangle a lot in the nape section and towards the ends. But I would give this wig a 10 out of 10 just because the color is amazing. The lace was so easy to manipulate. The hairline, you really didn't have to do that much customization to it, and it's very versatile. You can wear this wig in multiple different ways, and it is true to length, and the fullness is just absolutely amazing. So I definitely would suggest adding this wig to your wig collection. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video.